Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Wells Fargo mobile banking. This guide will walk you through the key concepts and best practices to help you get the most out of your mobile banking experience. First, download and install the Wells Fargo mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, launch the app and log in with your Wells Fargo online banking username and password. If you are a new user, you can enroll in mobile banking directly from the app. To navigate the app, tap on the menu icon to access various features such as account summary, transfers, payments, and mobile deposit. The account summary section provides an overview of your account balances and recent transactions. You can also customize your account dashboard to display the information that is most important to you. One of the most convenient features of Wells Fargo mobile banking is the ability to transfer funds between accounts. To do this, select the transfer option from the menu. Choose the account you want to transfer from and to, and enter the amount. You can also schedule transfers in advance or set up recurring transfers. Another useful feature is mobile deposit, which allows you to deposit checks remotely using your smartphone camera. To use mobile deposit, select the deposit option from the menu. Take a picture of the front and back of the check, and enter the deposit amount. Make sure to endorse the check with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only." In addition to these features, Wells Fargo mobile banking also provides tools to help you manage your finances, such as budgeting and tracking your spending. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of low account balances, large transactions, or unusual activity. To ensure the security of your mobile banking experience, make sure to use a secure password and keep your device and app up to date. Avoid using public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks to access your account, and always log out of the app when you are finished. By following these tips and best practices, you can take advantage of the convenience and flexibility of Wells Fargo mobile banking. With the app, you can manage your accounts, transfer funds, deposit checks, and track your spending from anywhere, at any time.